Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your YouTube career. Video editing. You might have the best camera, the most interesting topic, but if your editing isn't on point, viewers will click away in seconds. So what are the secrets the pros use to create videos that people just can't stop watching? Stick around because I'm about to spill all the tea. First things first, let's talk about the hook. The first 3 to 5 seconds of your video are absolutely critical. You need to grab attention immediately. A common mistake is starting with a long, slow intro. Instead, jump right into the action. Show a sneak peek of the most exciting part of your video. Ask a provocative question, or present a shocking statistic. Your goal is to make the viewer think, "Wow, I need to see what happens next." This isn't just a suggestion. It's a non-negotiable rule for modern YouTube. Once you have their attention, you need to keep it. This is where pacing comes in. A video that drags is a video that gets abandoned. The secret here is ruthless cutting. Go through your raw footage and cut out every single an unnecessary pause. Be brutal. If a sentence doesn't add value, get rid of it. Use J-cuts and L-cuts to create a smoother flow between clips. J-cut is when the audio from the next clip starts before the video changes, and an L-cut is the opposite. This simple technique makes your edits feel seamless and professional, keeping the viewer engaged without jarring transitions. Now, let's add some spice. Your edit shouldn't just be a series of jump cuts. You need to use visual and auditory elements to enhance the story. This means adding B-roll, which is supplemental footage that illustrates what you're talking about. If you're talking about coffee, show clips of coffee being brewed. This breaks up the monotony of a talking head and makes your video more visually appealing. Don't forget text overlays and simple graphics to highlight key points. You don't need fancy Hollywood effects. A well-placed title or a simple zoom can make a huge difference in emphasizing information and keeping the energy high. Sound design is the unsung hero of video editing. People will tolerate bad video quality, but they will not tolerate bad audio. Start with a clean recording, but don't stop there. Good editing involves balancing your audio levels, removing background noise, and, most importantly, adding music and sound effects. Subtle background track can set the mood and fill awkward silences. Sound effects, or SFX, can add punch to your visuals and comedy to your jokes. A simple swoosh for a text pop-up or a ding for a new idea can elevate the entire viewing experience. Just remember, the key is subtlety. The music and SFX should support the content, not overpower it. Finally, the secret that ties it all together is storytelling. Every video, whether it's a tutorial, a vlog, or a review, should have a story structure. Think of it as having a beginning, a middle, and an end. The beginning is your hook, where you introduce the problem or topic. The middle is where you build tension, present information, and take the viewer on a journey. The end is your conclusion, or call to action, where you resolve the story and tell the viewer what to do next. When you edit with a story in mind, every cut, every graphic, and every sound effect has a purpose. It's not just about assembling clips. It's about crafting an experience that resonates with your audience. So, to recap, hook them fast, pace it right with ruthless cuts, add visual spice with B-roll and graphics, master your sound design, and always edit with a story in mind. It might sound like a lot, but start by focusing on 1 or 2 of these areas in your next video. And I promise you'll see a difference in your audience retention. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you grow your channel. Let me know in the comments which editing secret you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one.